Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, D's World. Today we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, Ontario. Well, we're not gonna go. We're already here, ta-da, with the magic of whatever. But anyway, so yeah, today we got Niagara Falls. So we have a few things. I'm gonna show y'all 24 hours in Niagara Falls, maybe 48. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we're gonna show you the view. I'm thinking. I stay one night in one and one night in another one, just to give y'all two different views. I'm not sure. It depends on how different the views are. But anyway, so for tonight, for sure, we're gonna stay at the Oats over here. This is the Oats right here. We're gonna stay on this one. We got the river view, which is Niagara Falls is in back of this. Don't quote me. But today, for sure, we're gonna have I'm gonna show y'all the tower view at the Oats. Okay. So, but right now we're gonna go sightseeing a little bit. So I'm gonna go down to the falls. I'm gonna walk around a little bit while they get my room ready because I came kind of early. So yeah, so we're gonna walk around. If my phone is not as crystal clear as it should be, it's because it has a waterproof case on it. So yeah, that part. Because I'm gonna go to the falls and I don't know if it's gonna get wet. But we're gonna go to the falls and then I'm gonna get back. So yeah. Right, let's start walking around though. So one thing I already like about this hotel, the hotels are close together. That's one thing, that's the thing. And it's so close to everything. Oh, all you can eat breakfast buffet. We're gonna be there tomorrow morning. But yeah, like so don't mind me, I'm on tourist mode. So yeah, like everything is very close. All the food is close, everything is in walking distance. Like this is everybody's walking. Everybody put their car in the park all day for $25 or $30, and everybody started walking. So that's what we're gonna do too. We're just gonna follow the people. I have a little map. I don't know how accurate it is, but you know we're gonna follow the map, and we're gonna go sightseeing in Niagara Falls. They have a Roof Chris, IHOP. We'll probably go there tomorrow morning, or the $10 place over there. I don't know yet. A bunch of little tourist shops. That's the Hilton. That doesn't have a good view. Oh, maybe the top floors probably have a good view of the falls. Yes. We're looking for Clifton Hill. That's the street to turn on to see all the attractions. I'm guessing it's this street. Oh, look at that waterfall over there. Not waterfall, a little pond, whatever they call that thing. Oh, so this is a, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a casino. This is the casino, Niagara Falls View Casino. That's the Hilton over there. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we found the street we was looking for, which is Murray Street. We found Murray Street. Look at that little tower over there. So cool. I hope my picture quality is good, man. It looks good on my phone, but I don't know. It got a case on it, man. I don't feel like taking off this case, man. I think I'm about to go on the boat. I don't want to mess my phone up. I'll look at it. If it's not good, I'll do it over tomorrow or something before I leave. But yeah, little bar. could see the falls from here. Do you see it? I can't even zoom in. I have my phone in my hand. You see the falls? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is about to be fun. This is gonna be a fun little day. I could already see it. I'm gonna get back to. I'm gonna start it back up when I get to the falls. I'm gonna take off the case just in case, because I want y'all to see the falls very clear. So yeah, I'm gonna stop it for now, and I'm gonna record when I get back down there. I can feel the water from here. Nice little breeze. Oh, there's a lot of people. Lots and lots of people on the edge right there looking at it. So see it? Wow. 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 Sorry. Oh, they got EV parking here? Oh, that's nice. Well, I could have brought my car here. That's cool. Wow. This is so nice. You see how many people? I thought over there had people. It's like a lot of people over here. No. Damn, this. I don't know if y'all can see how many people it is. Look at the people. They go all the way around. So it's a lot of people here. That's a nice view of it too. So I'm thinking go down there and we're gonna walk along this path until we get to the there's like a little amusement park thing. So we're gonna go from there and we probably go do some bumper cars, look for the boat tour. Maybe, I don't know, because I think you get wet on the boat. Yeah, you know we're gonna do it. Yeah, we're gonna do the boat tour. No, I'm gonna show y'all that too. People just walking, just like. It looks fake. Like, I don't know how to explain this. This thing looks fake. It looked like a TV. Hold on. I got traffic, people. So you can't jaywalk. But it looks fake from here. It looks like. Oh no. Come on, lady. Far across the street, man. I know I should have jaywalked in the middle of the street. Look at this. so many people down there. I'm wondering, should I walk down there? So the Oaks Hotel is right over there. So it has a view of this right here. So I'm gonna walk down before I start looking. I'm not even gonna look myself. So I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna look myself. We're gonna wait till we get all the way down there, and then we're gonna. I'm already getting wet from here. Oh, it feels good. Like a nice little breeze. So we're gonna go down there more, and then I'm gonna show y'all from that part, and I'm gonna walk down. So here we go. Here's the big reveal, man. Wow. Okay. So beautiful. So I'm gonna walk along this so I can get more down there, and we're gonna look for this boat thing over here. That looks fun, right? Did you see the rainbow? Nice little rainbow. Yeah, we're gonna go look for that boat. We're about to jump on that boat. Yeah, we're gonna walk across. We're gonna walk down here more. I think it's down there somewhere. So we're gonna. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. I see where they boarded at. So yeah, we're gonna get on that boat real quick. It doesn't even look real, man. It looks like I don't know. Surreal. It's so surreal. They be saying. So, oh, that's another part. Oh, is that the New York side? Oh, that's the New York side probably. So wait, the New York side get to see over there. Oh, we might have to go to the New York side before we go. Wait. Hold on, we're gonna go down there one more time because I think we're gonna go. I want to see the water itself. Hold on. We're gonna go down there. Yeah, over here is a little bit better. So, I think I did something wrong. What I should have done was, as I was coming into Niagara Falls, I should have stopped at the New York side, which is over there. You see that? That's the New York side. I'm pretty sure. I should have stopped over there because I saw something when I was coming, but I didn't know that what it was. I should have stopped over there, looked, so I could have had both sides for you. So, I don't know. I think, and I can't do it when I'm leaving because I'm going towards the other side, Montreal side. But I think I'm gonna come back on this side. Hopefully I do, and I get that point of view for you, so you can have both sides. But yeah, I pretty much showed you every side. We gotta go find this thing. My phone service is not doing what it's supposed to right now, so I can't book it online. But I'm gonna try to see if I can book it over there. New York gets to see that. That looks good, and they get to see that little rapid park. Well, I guess over here we got that little rapid park, but oh, you see the people down there? I guess that's the tunnel. I can't see, it's too sunny. But it should be right there. Should be people over there. But yeah, let's walk down some more. They need some more street vendors over here, man, selling some drinks, man. It's hot. Little tower. There we go. So this is the zip lining right here, but it only goes from there to here. That's kind of boring. They should have had you zip lining across there to there. That would have been fun, but that's the zip lining there if you're interested. I'm pretty sure you get it. Yeah, you walk down there, you get it. Or they bring you there with a cart. So everything is over there. Everything you get on is over there. So we're gonna go over there right now. Gotta get on that boat. Hold on, let me try to book it on my phone one more time. And we get back to you.